Good morning, children, and welcome back to your English class. Children, we have already started our lesson number 5, that is for athletes. Today, we will continue the chapter. Children, you know the chapter is for athletes, written by Shirley Dean Mitton. In this chapter, in this beautiful poem, the poet has addressed all the sports people to be very attentive in all their deeds. So now coming to the third paragraph on page number 39. You are the little fellow idle. You are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicions ever rise. So children, in these lines, the poet is saying you, that is, you is the sports person. You are the little fellow's, little child's idol, his role model, because they like and admire their sport. You are the wisest of the wise. So you need to be very much wise whatever you do, because you are somebody's idol whom he follows. In his little mind about you. So here, as the poet is focusing on the little child, so he has a very little mind in which he is very clear about you, he follows you, he admires you, he likes everything about you. No suspicions ever rise, no doubts, any kind of questions are not in his mind about you. He don't care if anybody says anything about you, because you are complete for him. You are perfect for him. So you have to be very cautious. In the fourth paragraph, there is a wide-eyed little fellow who believes you are always right, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night. Again, the poet is saying there is a wide-eyed little fellow. Their eyes are open wide, who believes you are always right. For him, you are always correct. There is no doubt in his mind, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night, because he follows you, he watches you day and night. So his ears and his eyes are widely open for you. You are setting an example every day in all you do for the little boy who is waiting to grow up to be like you. So, in the concluding stanza, the poet is telling the sports person that being a role model, you are setting an example for that little child, for your followers, every day in all you do, in your everyday routine, in your performance, whatever you do, whatever you speak, whatever you think, you are setting an example for him, for the little boy who is waiting to grow up to be like you, because that little child, he is thinking every time that one day he will be totally like you, because he likes you very much. So, children, in this poem, there is a responsibility over the shoulders of the sports person or celebrities to set an example, because they are followed by, they are admired by so many people. So, they have to be very much careful, they have to be very much precise in their deeds. And at last, the best way of teaching is to lead by example. So children, here we finish our poem. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.